Hello friends, we are back with an interesting video, Korean rice pack for glossy skin. To make this simple, yet effective pack, we need rice, aloe vera gel, coconut powder, raw milk, vitamin E capsules and rose water. First, take around half cup or 4 teaspoons of rice. Wash the rice properly and soak it in 2 cups of water for 24 hours. Rice is well fermented and is rich in vitamins and minerals. Grind this mixture into a fine paste using the same water. Take a bowl, and on a low flame, cook this rice mixture. Keep stirring continuously, so that the mixture is well cooked, and is not burned. After about 5 minutes, you get a smooth, thick paste, as shown here. Switch off the stove, and allow the paste to cool. Transfer this mixture into a bowl. Add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps moisturize and soothe skin. It is advised to take fresh gel for better results. Add 2 spoons of coconut powder. Coconut powder helps in keeping your skin shiny. Add 2 spoons of raw milk. Milk acts as facial cleanser. Add 1 spoon of rose water. It is a natural skin toner. Add 2 vitamin E capsules. They help in moisturizing and nourishing your skin. Mix all the ingredients well into a fine paste. Wash face thoroughly, and pat it dry. Now, take this face pack, and massage it on your face, in circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave on the mask, for at least 15 minutes, or till it is dried. Wash your face, with lukewarm water. Apply moisturizer, if face feels dry. Repeat this daily, for 5 days and the result will be visible. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon on the screen for interesting videos every week.